Hello, Chef here, back in one of the kitchens, and I'm getting ready to fabricate some pork tenderloin. So fabrication means the preparation, basic steps followed in the correct procedures. Here we go. These pork tenderloins need to be cleaned very quickly. They're beautiful, by the way, really nice. These are like prime, nice. All right, so you start with a boning knife and you remove the silver skin like this. And you repeat, and you get all that silver skin off. Butterflying it. I'm just going to open it up like this. Alright. And then I'm going to use my hand. And give it a slap. We call this beating the meat. Beautiful. That's what you're looking for right there, okay? This goes in a mixing bowl, and we're going to proceed with a rub. The rub is going to be two kinds. I've got this one right here. Yep, finished that one off. And I got some more right here. So if you're looking for this rub, it's available at the sponsor right there. And you can get it. I like to, when I'm cooking pork, I like to rub both sides with this dry rub. And then once this penetrates, after about half an hour, I add a couple more ingredients. I figured I would share those with you. I've got some Worcestershire sauce, just a few drops like this. I've got some extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit like this. And I've also got a splash of hard cider, just like this, okay? Now there's other ingredients as well, but that's what I'm sharing with you for today. All right, this is looking really good. So this went from a dry rub to a wet rub. Basically it's marinade, looks really good. Little close-up for you there. I'm gonna throw this on the grill, and I will return when it's done, show you what it looks like. Oh, I added some fresh herbs to the dry rub, wet rub marinade here. I'm not going to tell you what those herbs are, but you can guess in the comment section. You can see them right there. And I'll be back. As you can see, the pork tenderloin's looking pretty good. I charred it on a very hot grill, and then I let it smoke for about 25 minutes or so. By the way, this is not competition barbecue pork. This is just showing you the correct procedures using the rub and all that. So real quickly, I'm going to cut one of these up. These have been resting for about half an hour now. So here we go. I got this one here, looks a little bit crustier. Pretty good. Really, really nice right there. And I'm going to use my meat slicer on the diamond steel here really quick. Yep, gotta have that. Got some pan-fried potatoes to join this pork here today. There we go. Just gonna open this up for you to show you what I got going on here. Really, really looking good. Smells delicious. That crust is going to be quite tasty, I'm sure. Serve it on the side. The finished barbecue. Going to be serving this right along with some of these awesome roasted potatoes. Please leave a comment. Tell me how you think this looks. Again, I like my sauce on the side. I'm going to put it right there in this nest of potatoes. Once again, this is not competition barbecue. Please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Tell us what you think.